Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 23.71% since we first designated Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.25% each day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a further rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 38% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from slightly over 3% to just over 50%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of approximately 120%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from just over 43% to nearly 330% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $18.87 and $56.53. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, "Big movements in Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price on Thursday, moving 13.03% between high and low." The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price fell by negative 7.13% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, from $14.16 to $13.15. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.03%, reaching a low of $13.05 and a high of $14.75. The price has been quite variable during this period, with a gain of 12.97% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On that day, trading volume fell by 5 million shares, totaling 47 million shares bought and sold for approximately $621,500,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 38.61%, or $8.27, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments regarding Rigetti Computing, or RGTI, suggest a positive trajectory in the quantum computing sector, which may influence its stock price significantly. On the 27th of May, 2025, founder Chad Rigetti announced the launch of a new quantum firm aimed at enhancing artificial intelligence capabilities, indicating the company's commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancement. This strategic move could bolster RGTI's market position and attract further investment. In addition, RGTI has been compared favorably with other quantum computing firms like D-Wave and IBM. Analysts are highlighting the innovative edge RGTI possesses, which is crucial in the rapidly evolving quantum landscape. This competitive positioning is likely to generate investor confidence, potentially driving the stock price higher in the short term. The broader narrative around quantum computing, poised to revolutionize numerous industries, presents a compelling investment case. The market's excitement surrounding this technology, evidenced by a surge in quantum stocks, positions RGTI advantageously. Increased attention from investors could support upward momentum in its stock price. Overall, while immediate gains could be evident as new projects unfold, RGTI's long-term prospects hinge on its ability to innovate and capture market opportunities in a burgeoning field valued to unlock substantial economic potential by the year 2040. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also gave RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum awarded RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Needham provided RGTI with a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley designated RGTI with a buy rating and an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.18. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $10.39. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 7.33%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps to reduce overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 154 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.92 and $11.64. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may cause the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. has support just below today's level at $11.92. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.64 and $11.22. This stock may experience significant movements during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as having very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.70 between its high and low, representing a change of 13.03%. For the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 15.21%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may point to inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $13.86. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $11.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 44,815 shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K made an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. Also, on the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K executed an insider sale of 1 million shares of employee stock options, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Kulkarni Subodh K conducted another insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. executed an insider purchase of 218,750 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.929. In total, insiders purchased 8,413,781 shares and sold 7,645,588 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.40, reflecting a decrease of 5.74%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Currently, there is a sell signal due to a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level could present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of May, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by 500 cents and start trading at $13.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.